Ever wondered how much money is enough to retire on? 1 crore, 2 crores, more? Let's use any of the 100 calculators available online and find out. Suppose I'm 25 years old today. मतलब लगता नहीं हूँ वो बात अलग है. And I want to retire by 55. What? Oh भाई मुझे 60 तक काम ही नहीं करना. And I think I may live up to at least 80. Right? So let's see. I've invested कुछ भी नहीं. Nothing. Zero. Khair. Let's say the average return per year is 10% when I invest in the stock market. अरे मेरा कहना नहीं है. This is what experts have to say after analyzing 100 years of data. And my monthly expense is around 45,000 per month. No, it's not because of my high-flying lifestyle. It's the killing rent in Mumbai, yaar. And inflation. Yeah. And speaking of the cash-eating devil, let's assume inflation to be 7%. And that gives us... wait. What? 11 crores. Inflation, you heartless money eater!
ले लो ताजा एप्पल डायरेक्ट हिमाचल से ले लो सिर्फ 1000 रुपए में. ले लो ताजा एप्पल डायरेक्ट हिमाचल से ले लो.
If I start today at 25, I need to make a monthly investment of around 31,000. But if I start investing only after I turn 30, obviously my expenses also would have shot up to at least 55,000, and that means I have to invest 45,000 per month to retire happily and live the rest of my life without compromising. So I'm going to start my retirement planning as early as possible, because the earlier I begin investing, the lesser I will have to save each month. And now I'm going to say goodbye, but not before I repeat what every investor on the planet says. Diversify your retirement portfolio. Spread out your investments, widen the scope of your portfolio, so even if one investment tanks, you still have other fallback options. An ideal portfolio should include stocks, mutual funds, bonds, and yes, remember to take advantage of the government's national pension scheme, because that also lets you reduce your tax burden. And wait, we've also compiled some useful retirement planning strategies for you. You can read this on our blog to learn more. And now, it's time for me to sleep.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.